Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're going to put you through a little short circuit workout. So basically I have here is just a medicine ball. Use whatever weight you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a step lunge. The key to lunges is getting that stretch, but in the same instance, do not let your kneecap hit. So basically we want like 2 inches before we hit the ground. So we're just adding a little bit to the lunge. So ordinarily with the lunge, we would just be stepping here. And like I said, basically 2 inches before we hit the ground with our knee. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna intensify the lunge. So I'm gonna extend the ball out before I step. So I'm gonna extend the ball out, lunge. So whichever leg I lunge with, I'm going to turn to the opposite way. So I'm going to extend the ball out, lunge, and then twist, then come back, then here. Extend the ball out, we'll stay with the same side, twist, and then go. So we're going to do 10 on each side. We're not going to alternate, that way we can get used to that movement. As far as with the step, extend the ball, come back. So now what we're doing, by doing that, now we're working our core more than just what the lunge would do. So now we're going to incorporate some abs. So I have a stepper here. You can use a bench. The reason you use a bench versus the floor is I want to keep that much more tension on my leg versus if we're on the floor, the legs are coming down further, usually hitting here. I can bring it parallel with my body. My feet are still elevated, so I'm still getting that tension on my core, and that's what I want anyway. So we have just basically like a little weighted bar. You could use a broom handle, anything. So we're going to reach all the way back. We're going to have our legs extended up. And what we're going to do is we're going to come up, and then we're going to hold it up against our body for 5 seconds. Come all the way out. Back fully extended, come up and hold and squeeze for 5 seconds, all the way back down. So we're gonna try to do a set of 10 of those. So we're gonna go straight from 10 lunges on the other side, straight to 10 of these. Let's try to do 3 rounds of these. Okay, so we're gonna start with our lunges. All right, so we're gonna do 10. When we step, which is hard for me as far as because I'm so pigeon-toed, slow it down and try to concentrate on keeping that toe straight. Then twist, then come back. Because if we get going too fast, or at least me, where I'm pigeon-toed, I sort of try to twist my foot. So slow it down, really focus on your feet, and let's go. Like I said, we're going to stay with the same leg. So we get used to that motion as far as the twist. Remember to keep breathing. Focus on the toe. Trying to keep it straight. Keeping the ball extended the whole time. Works more core. And if I hold it out the entire time, actually getting a little bit of a back workout and a little bit of a tricep workout. Alright, so we'll switch sides. So now stepping out here, I'm going to turn to the opposite way. Balance. As you'll probably notice, you have more balance on one leg, or better balance on one leg than you do the other. Or at least I do. Keep breathing, guys. And if you're going too far out with your lunge, you're making it harder, or you're losing your balance, take a shorter stride. All right. Go straight to the abs. This is fully extended. Start out parallel, then come up and we'll hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back out, up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can do it a couple different ways. Hold your knees bent. Or trying to keep your legs straight. Both burn. I try to keep them straight because that way it'll make me extend higher and I'll feel it more in my core. We actually do an exercise with bending your knees. We call it the accordion for abs. So we'll do that at a different date. Let's try to keep them straight. Remember to breathe, guys. Okay, now we'll turn this way, just so you can see the angle of the lunges. Second round, let's go. Ooh, see, I thought I went the opposite way. Remember to squeeze your core as you're doing this. Twist. Leaves. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Last and third round. Let's go. A little wobbly. strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one second. Good little workout. Quads are burning. You can feel it in my abs. Alright guys, so hopefully you learned a little something, got a good workout. Make sure you hit that like button guys, hit that subscribe button. Trying to educate as many people as we can. Trying to get people to look at health differently. Get off their butt. Literally don't sit and get fit. Make sure you check out all the other videos. Hit that notification bell. And always remember, don't sit, get fit.